Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious taco ring. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 packet of taco seasoning, and 2 cans of crescent roll dough. Don't forget about 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and your favorite taco toppings like lettuce, diced tomatoes, and sour cream. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the flavorful taco filling. Begin by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet until it's fully cooked. Remember to drain any excess grease to keep your taco ring from becoming too oily. Then, stir in 1 packet of taco seasoning and about 1/4 cup of water. Let this mixture simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully and the liquid to absorb. Now for the fun part, assembling your taco ring. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Unroll your 2 cans of crescent roll dough and arrange the triangles in a circle on a baking sheet, with the wide ends overlapping slightly. Spoon the seasoned beef mixture onto the widest part of each triangle, then sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded cheese over the beef. This creates a delicious base for your ring. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your creation. Carefully fold the pointed ends of the crescent roll triangles over the beef and cheese filling, tucking them under the wide ends to form a complete ring. Bake your taco ring for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crescent rolls are a beautiful golden brown. Once baked, let it cool briefly, then serve immediately with your favorite fresh toppings like lettuce, tomatoes, and sour cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.